Welcome to this Rhino6 tutorial. Before we dive into the program, I would like to provide a little context for how I have used it personally and professionally. I would also like to explain some of its strengths and drawbacks as it relates to other CAD programs, while supporting why I very much believe Rhino is the best software for learning design. To begin, I would like to take a moment to share some of the projects that I have worked on, highlighting the scale, scope, and variety of them to really illustrate the strength and versatility of Rhino. Design is a very broad term that encompasses so many different fields of study and expertise. Within the world of design exist many specialties, such as graphic design, architectural design, brand design, product design, and game design, just to name a few. Where Rhino shines is in its ability to tackle each one of these and to address the needs of each field quite well. However, with that being said, there are many programs that are better suited for their specific individual design needs. Eventually, when you have settled into a career, you will likely need to add to your CAD knowledge by mastering another program. As an architect, you will probably need to learn Revit or ArchiCAD. Mechanical engineers and product designers will likely focus their attention on SolidWorks or Onshape. Graphic designers and brand specialists will have their needs better met by Adobe Illustrator. Nonetheless, the foundations of all of these programs are very similar. With a solid background and mastery of CAD concepts, which Rhino teaches incredibly well, the transition to any other software is fairly straightforward. Let's begin by downloading and installing Rhino 6. Open your web browser and navigate to rhino3d.com. The first thing we are going to do is make an account. To do so, click on Sign In. You may use your existing Google or Facebook account or create a new account. When making a new account, please use your full name and an email that you actually use. This will be important when we need access to our cloud licenses. After creating an account or signing in with an existing account, return to the Rhino 3D homepage and navigate to the download page. Select either the Mac evaluation or the Windows evaluation version. We will go over accessing our cloud licenses in class another day. Enter the email that is associated with the Rhino account that you just made, then click Next. The actual download link and the evaluation's license key will be emailed to you. Check your email for a message with the subject, Welcome to Rhino 6 Evaluation. It will contain the actual download link and the evaluation license key. Click on the download link and install the file as instructed. After you have installed Rhino, launch the software. You will be prompted to enter a license. Click on Enter your license key, then use the key that was previously emailed to you. Add the license to your account. Your web browser should automatically launch. Log into your account and follow the prompts to add your license. Rhino 6 should now be ready for use. Welcome to Rhino6. We will briefly go over the general layout of the program and highlight some of its features. As we progress through additional videos, more details will eventually be explained. Rhino allows its users to input commands several ways. Commands can be typed in the command line, or users may navigate to its icon. Additional commands can be located after selecting its related tab. Notice that most commands have expanded features when you right-click and hold the small triangle in the bottom right corner of the icon. On the right-hand side of the screen are a few additional windows and tabs. We will mostly be focusing in on Object Properties and the Layers tab. On the bottom center of the screen are tools that you can toggle on or off depending on your drawing needs. The most useful will likely be the Ortho tool and the O-snaps. Rhino's default viewport window shows its users 4 different points of view. This allows them to see their design from multiple vantages at the same time. However, users can also expand a particular view by double-clicking on the viewport's name. Return to multiple windows by doing the same. This has been a very quick overview of how Rhino 6 works. Future tutorials will go into much more depth.